Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here because Bitcoin unfortunately has dumped towards the downside, making this scenario, this big pump into new all-time highs less and less likely. But overall, Bitcoin is still holding this pattern at the moment. We are seeing some buying right now on the 30-minute. It's dipping below. I actually posted this in the Discord. But we are seeing some buying on the 30-minute and the 1 hour at the moment. So could we be trying to strike a low here at the moment? Yeah, it's possible. If we do bounce, we really need to see strong commitment from the bulls, and we need to see a quick reversal, or else this Bitcoin pattern may be already cooked, and we could be already headed towards the downside. So I don't want to make people panic or anything, but Bitcoin is definitely not faring worse than doing better right now. When we take a look at market cipher, we can see we have an 18 and a -5 on the dual band strength index. So we're starting to see the trend definitely weaken. We're starting to see a big reduction now in green money flow. It is starting to curve down pretty significantly. Tight momentum wave with a red dot confirmation. The other day we kind of had a fake out, a dump, a pump, and now we're ripping it back down once again. 4-hour time frame, you still have green money flow, so that's okay. 2-hour time frame, you're starting to cut into the red. 1 hour, you are cutting it back into the red as well. You do have a green dot at the moment, so we'll see if that can hold, but the smaller time frames are definitely ugly to look at. Not some nice charts at the moment. 2 green dots here. Let's see, is this bullish? Do we have bullish divergence? So yeah, we have a little bit of bullish divergence on the 10-minute. But for the time being, we are in a trade inside the Discord. So if you guys want to join, the link is in the description. Okay, feel free to join because it's still 50% off. So you guys can always sign up before the price goes up. Now let's take a look here at some larger time frames, because after this big Bitcoin drop, this tends to start to shift these dual band strength index numbers. And now that you're starting to see a very bearish dual band strength index number, -3 and an 18 on the weekly 4-hour, sorry, not 4-hour, 4-day, 3-day. Yeah, they're all starting to turn bearish now after this big drop, and you are starting to see diminishing momentum waves, like a big reduction. You're seeing a loss in momentum here, and this is kind of coincides with the markets getting a very big pullback. So it's not all over just yet. You still got green money flow. Things don't crash down right away into oblivion, although it can happen sometimes. But this has got to mark the top of the Bitcoin market. Top of the Bitcoin bull run, and then we entered the bear market. Now we've had an amazing run. Are we going to get a bigger retrace? Something like that I've been charting here for a bigger picture retrace. Could we get something like this, where we start to descend in A leg and then bounce in a B and a C? Yeah, I could see the possibilities of that happening. But right now, we kind of charted this as your wave 4 bottom. I marked this as a possible double correction towards the downside with an ABC down, right? And then another ABC up. And now this would be an A, B, and a C. Could this be the C leg, right? To extend the wave 4 lower, and end the Y wave? It could. It's possible. It's possible that it could do that. And then we come all the way down to 59, 52,000, and then rally to the fifth wave. It's possible that we could do that. But right now, that's not the scenario that I'm looking at. Right now, I'm looking at this bullish pattern where we're still holding this 1-2 setup, right? So you could be in a 1-2, and then you're about to take off in another third wave. And this is just a deeper, wave 2 pullback. It's possible, it's possible. I won't discount it. I will definitely not discount it. Right now, it's good. It's good that we're seeing some buyers step back in to try to save the day here. But we really need to see more commitment. And once we clear back into this range and we start to bounce back up, yeah, maybe we'll be okay. But I don't really like it when the price is near the tip of the triangle. To me, that kind of like smells like it's gonna roll over. It's like a bearish pattern to me. Once you lose all this energy, I think you start to lean towards the downside, right? And when we can start to see that on this reduction in green money flow, right? It's starting to dwindle back down here. I know we said it was starting to dwindle right here, but you know what? It just started pumping out of nowhere, and then you really need to readjust your bias and get back bullish, right? And we could take a look at the 4 hour as well. When we were down there, right? We were actually in red money flow. We came back into the green, and then even the green started to fade and looked like we were about to break down, but the pump took over, right? And we just started mooning. Now we still have green money flow. Are we going to start to bounce back up, or we're going to start to dwindle again and then get ready for a big rollover, or then we're going to get another pump? To me, we need the stock market to hold up and continue pushing higher. If it doesn't and it starts to roll over, you can say goodbye to Bitcoin. Bitcoin will follow the indices and it will follow traditional markets, and we're going to roll over and start to panic sell along with all the other risk assets. Okay, so that's basically it. Daily time frame, we cover some larger time frames here on wave edge. Weekly selling, yeah. So we got another weekly sell there. 4-day, 3-day. There we go. We got a 3-day sell signal. 2-day, 12-hour, 6-hour, 4-hour. Not really seeing anything there. 3-hour, 2-hour, 1 hour. All right. So yeah, overall, the market is holding up for the time being, but we gotta stay cautious. We gotta be really cautious right now. I'm currently in a trade, but I'm not looking for crazy gains here. If it does hit my target, I'll be getting out quick. All right, guys, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.